Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana. Today was day 16 of work on our master bath reno. And so I'm just gonna show you what happened today. So over here on this side with the closets, nothing happened, although I think tomorrow we'll see progress in that area. And over here now we can see the tile floor. We can step on this. It hasn't been grouted yet, but I can finally walk on it. It looks like they did a really good job. It feels very even and level. And then over here, they waterproofed the shower area today. So that this end is where the shower head's gonna be. And then swing over here and we'll have the bench over here. The niches will still come into play. Once things get ready, they will put the niches in. The cement board had to go in first. And the areas where the niches, the cutouts for the niche area, they will just put those in afterwards. And we got insulation. So there's insulation all behind this shower here. And there's insulation all behind here. Now you can kind of see where we bumped out the wall here for our medicine cabinets, but behind here there is insulation. It actually feels warmer in here today than it has before, which makes sense because this whole area was a little drafty before because all the insulation had been pulled. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way the floor tile came out. And then the next step, so tomorrow the plasterer is supposed to be here, a new person, haven't met them yet. They are going to be working on the drywall tomorrow. So it's we had a really slow week at the beginning, so I think they're trying to make up for time now by working on a Saturday. So I said, sure, come on, work on the Saturday. I'm happy if they're wanting to do that. I'm happy with progress. So I probably will have another update for you tomorrow. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll continue updating until it's all done. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.